Instead, we're gonna play some games. We're gonna solve some puzzles. I'm gonna teach you guys some magic tricks. How's that sound? Yeah. In topology, we're doing a kind of math where we bend things, we fold things, we twist things, and they don't break. Give them both a clap, everybody. Being awesome today. You get it. When we talk about volume, we talk about how much space something takes up all around. Like we could measure the volume of your head. Everyone go like this. Some of you said, what? The rest of you went like this. It's a guessing game. There's that word up there, perimeter. Everyone say symmetry. There's 43 quintillion different permutations. So the answer must be somewhere in the middle. Everyone's saying with me, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Oh, here we go, everybody. He's gonna grab an odd number of bananas and throw them into the first monkey bucket. He's doing a great job. This is a puzzle. It looks like a bunny rabbit right now. And the bunny rabbit is made up of 7 different shapes. That's a rocket ship. That's a turtle. It's magic too. Give yourselves a clap, everybody. Bye, everybody.
For the Mathical Tour, add up, subtract for the mystery tour, add up, school show invitation. Subtract for the Mathical Tour. Add up to do multiplication.